I came up and took a look at this one earlier. There's a ton of different ways to shoot this.
Yeah, this looks interesting.
So I think we got to start on the dots back here. You can go whichever way you want. Six, 7, 9, 10. Two. So start in the back, toes on X's downrange.
So with the spinning plates, they fall off, right?
Yes.
So it starts to move?
Yep.
Yeah? What's the strategy there?
The best way to do it is I would shoot the green one at the top.
Okay.
And then that'll keep it relatively balanced. And
Got
then
it.
go either to the red or the white, the shoulders. And then when you hit that one off, it's going to start coming towards you.
Okay.
So what I typically do for stuff like this is I would go green, white, and then just hold your gun there, and the red, black, and red will flow to you.
Okay, got it.
If you get good hits, otherwise you got to start chasing it.
Yeah.
But if you start missing and you start chasing it, wait for the plate to be somewhere. Wait there. Wait for the plate to come to you, and then shoot
don't
it.
chase it.
Don't. Yeah. Unless you're a really accurate shot, chasing it's real hard.
Okay. Yeah. Good to know. Thanks.
Yep. Back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16. Reload. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last guy right here, left.
You didn't do it on purpose, though. Well, he didn't look.
All right, I guess that means I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Stand by.
Ah, fuck me.
Fenders, no clear. Time 3176.